Alright guys, in this video we're going to be assembling the Mega Slowbro Poke Ball. So we're going to start by taking our bottom, putting that down. Then we're going to get our clicker and put that in our square. If you're not using the clicker, don't worry. Just use the same square and push that in. Put some glue around the bottom here. Then we're going to take our center ring and push that on. And then we're going to take some more glue and put that on top of the center ring. And then we're going to take our top half and push that on. All right, next we're going to take some glue and we're going to put some glue in here. And then we're going to take these little black rings here. I already have my right side in, so the right side is going to have a circle on it, and the left side is going to have a rectangle. So we're going to take those and push those in. Then we're going to take a little bit of glue and put that on here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to take our matching arms. So this arm has a little rectangle, and then this arm has a little circle. So with those matching arms, just go ahead and push them into position. All right, so next we're going to take our stem, push it in, put our button on there, and then we're going to take our button ring and line that up and push it in. All right, then next we are going to take some glue and we're going to put that right on top. And then we are going to push in this black piece here. Pay attention to the word front as it's going to be facing the front. So we're going to push this in. We're going to go ahead and put all of our teeth in. All right, so I just got 2 of these teeth left. So just going to line them up. Push. Get the next one nice and lined up. Push it in. So now I have all of my teeth in place. All right, so next we're going to take some glue, just put it all the way around here. Then we're going to take this tan mouthpiece and we're going to take it here and slide it right up on the front and just kind of line it up with the front of that cube there. Then we're going to go ahead and take our pink large piece of the head here. I just inserted my ears, so go ahead and just take your ears and push those in. Then we're going to go ahead and just push this on. We're going to take a little bit of glue and put it on the back of the head here. And then we're going to take our other pink piece here that goes at the back of the head, and we're just going to let that line up right into place. All right, so all that's left to do here now is to take our front pieces that stick into place here, and we're just going to line these up. And these should feel nice and tight to the point where you don't need glue, but if you want to, go ahead and just use a dab of glue. All right, guys, with all those pieces put in, you have now completed your Mega Slowbro Poke Ball build.